Hey traders, I hope everyone's having a good day. This is a really early weekly update with my backtesting trades, but tomorrow I'm not working, but it's just going to be a little frantic. I got a few things to do at the gym with a couple of people. That's another thing that I do. I work a job on the side when I can, and I've got a few things around the house to take care of. And then Saturday I'm working in the morning, and then we have like the grand final on, the AFL grand final. So in reality, I just want to get this out of the way. I probably will do some back testing tomorrow, probably when I wake up. See, maybe not though. That's a thing as well. But anyway, I thought I was getting a cold, and it's getting a little better as well. I haven't done too much today, so we'll look at the charts, guys. So we've got 5 trades to go over. Race car red to begin with. I got in here. Now, I mean, honestly, you've got the break. This is quite a big candle, and I was expecting a bit more of a retrace immediately. I didn't see that, and it sort of shot off. And then it had another failed sort of bounce, and it just didn't want to continue on. So this was taken 2002, November 8th. Bam, and then bam. So, I mean, I'm just going to sip this, guys. What I take away from this is that the trend isn't great. So it's got to be more like this, really. So that's optimal. This is bad. All right, so I'm going to save that up and leave it as that. I don't want to sort of overcomplicate the analysis, but I should be really identifying that a little bit better. So, all right, this is a winning, I think 20, and then there we go. Okay, so this was a nice one actually. This was nearly 3%. So go to that previous one. That was pretty much bang on. So that's the thing with the trailing exit with the open take profit, is that you really want to pick the right entries with the good potential for it to take off, because you're really wanting that. So if you're losing the 2% guaranteed, you sort of want to make more and ideally have a better win rate than around. Look, honestly, probably 55 is the bare minimum. 60 plus is ideal. So that's what I've got to sort of work on. All right. So this is a nice little. This was better. This was better here. It sort of well cleared the resistance area, and then just sort of took. And it was choppy, but you've got to have your patience and let it develop. And that's why you risk a certain amount that you're comfortable losing. So when you place the trade, you want to think in the back of your mind, like, look, this is money I no longer need or want. I've tested this. Do your thing, market. Okay. Okay. Well, the mailman's there he is. I think this is going to finish it. Does it? 2003. Oh no, we've got 2 more trades. Okay, so this is another losing trade. So, not having the best of runs, but that's okay. So, similar this trade. Now, I believe it was uptrending a little bit better. So I waited for that bounce, and it just didn't want to clear it. Now we were at all-time highs here as well, and it just found the market mechanism that is in place. That is, people were just like, look, it's too overextended. So frowny face is coming out here because it was just a little unlucky. Probably not my best frowny face there either. That was pretty terrible actually. And this one, this was a bit of a long-term sort of 6-weeker, because you can see I got in here July 15th and August 22nd. So, and look, this is what I'm seeing a lot out of the pound as well. Is it's a lot of this, So you've just got to understand the characteristics and the nuances of the various currency pairs. And that's something I really need to work on, is maybe coming up with a table matrix where you've got your currency pair, and then you've sort of got the characteristics, like does it make big moves quickly, or is it more of a slow running, moving trend type trading pair. So and so far I've seen this a little bit, but again the sample size is too small for me to sort of make any calls on that quite yet. So we'll save that up, guys. I think this is the last of the pound US dollar as well for the session, and it is. Alright, so guys, I'll stop that there. Thank you for watching. Next video will be an account update, end of the month type video, because again I'm only in the one trade, so we'll just talk about how the month shaped up for me. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day. Bye.